literally the only one here right now. It's like 41 degrees outside. There is like a 17-mile-an-hour wind gust that happens every now and then, and it is pretty chilly, but other than that, it's not that bad outside. Before I forget to show you those shoes that I left on the table a few days ago or whatever, I ended up throwing them up on this tree here. From these clouds of white. Definitely some time. Of course, there's no recession I'm having today. So on my way here, I was hill bombing. Hit some puddles, so now my board's fucking filthy. I can't film too much right now because I don't want my phone to get wet, but I'm literally sitting at the bus stop during a fucking blizzard by the wind and it's snowing. Ain't nothing wrong with my carpool. It's fucking snowing. It's gonna be snowing tomorrow too.